How to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now from the chat section, simply swipe from top to bottom. You will see Lock Chat section. Tap on it. Enter your fingerprint to access your log chat section. Here you will see all the list of the log chats. If you wish to unlock them, tap and hold that particular chat, tap the three dots at top right corner, and tap Unlock Chat button and confirm face or fingerprint. If you wish to lock any chats, tap and hold it, and tap three dots. Now tap Lock Chat and tap Continue and enter your fingerprint to continue to lock chats. That's how we find log chats on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.